Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to make video and InShot with photos in iPhone. To create a video using photos and the InShot app on your iPhone, follow these steps. Open the app. From the home screen of the InShot, tap Video, then hit Allow Full Access, then tap the Choose Your Video in the Video section. Now go to Photo section to access the images stored in your iPhone's gallery. Choose the photos you want to include in your video by tapping on them. You can choose multiple images if you like. Once you've selected your photos, tap the green checkmark in the bottom right to import them into the video editor. Now, let's rearrange the order of your photos by tapping and holding any photo, then dragging it to a different position on the timeline. So I'm dragging it. Tap on a photo to edit it. Crop. Adjust the size or aspect ratio to fit the video format by tapping the photo. Then pinch it outwards to make it bigger. Duration. Adjust how long each photo appears in the video by tapping the photo and selecting the duration icon, the clock. Increase or decrease the time. Transition. Tap the transition icon between photos to add effects like fade, zoom, or swipe to make the photo changes smoother. Now tap on the check mark. Tap on the audio icon at the bottom menu, and here you can choose music to add background music from Inshot's library or import music from your device. Effects to add sound effects. Record to record the voiceover directly into the video. Now hit on the check mark. Tap the text icon to add text overlays on specific photos. Use stickers to add fun graphics or emojis. Apply filters or effects to your photos to enhance them. Now tap the play button in the video editor to preview how your video looks. Once you're satisfied with your video, tap the save button in the top right corner of the screen. Choose the video resolution such as 1080p or 720p and frame rate. Tap Save to export the video to your iPhone's gallery. By following these steps, you can easily create a video using your photos and the InShot app on your iPhone. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.